Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to fix you how you can fix when you install Windows you cannot find your disk drive. So the solution is to load corresponding driver during the installation process. The driver is the IRST. You can find it on ASUS support or any source that have Intel rapid storage technology, or you can download directly from the official website of Intel. So here you just simply download this file. So after you download, you can follow this instruction by asus.com support. Here download and extract IRST driver. You can connect your USB flash drive that containing the Windows 11 or 10 installation media. Then extract the IRST driver, this one, to the flash drive. So after that, you can proceed the Windows 11 or 10 installation progress again. If you need to know how to install, you can read this article. Then when you see this the screen where do you want to install Windows and Windows cannot find any drives, please click load driver here. Select browse, then find the folder where you extracted the IRST driver earlier. Then select the driver Intel RST VMD controller, then click next to start installing the driver. Once the driver installation complete, the disk will be displayed normally. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So click the button below. See you in the next video.